Dear children, today in this video we will learn the 8th poem of class 7, The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Fergie. Eleanor was born in London in 1881. She wrote children's stories and fantasy stories and soon became popular with both children and adults.
Do you quarrel with your sibling? Do you know the reason why? We often quarrel with our brother or sister on very petty small issues, which can be as small as he ate my chocolate, he took my bicycle, she wore my t-shirt, he's not giving me remote, and sometimes we don't even remember the reason why we quarrel. But the truth is, can we live without our brother or sister for a long time? Can we live without talking to them? Let's see in the poem, The Quarrel. I quarrel with my brother, I don't know what about. Here, the speaker, who is a child, that means she can be a girl or he can be a boy. But for the sake of convenience, we'll consider that the poet is a girl. So, the poet is saying that she quarreled with her brother. Quarrel means to fight. She fought with her brother and she doesn't even remember the reason why. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. So it started with one thing and soon series of things happened and one thing lead to another and somehow they fell out. That means started fighting. They started quarreling. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. So slight means small. The start of it was on a very small matter and then soon it ended up to be a strong fight. He said he was right. I know he was wrong. So my brother said he was right, but I knew my brother was wrong. So siblings, they started fighting, they started quarreling with each other on a very small issue which they don't even remember, and soon this small quarrel turned into a strong fight. And the poet said that her brother was wrong and I was right, while her brother thought the other way round. Now let's see the rhyming scheme of these lines. As I've already told you in my earlier poem explanation, that for rhyming scheme we see the last word of each line. Rhyming words are those words which end up in same sound. Like in first line, brother, for brother we'll give A. About doesn't rhyme with brother, so it will be B. Another rhymes with brother, so it will be A again. Fell out rhymes with about, it will be B. Now slight doesn't rhyme with any of the above, it will be C. Strong also doesn't rhyme with any of the above, it will be D. Right rhymes with slight, it will be C. Wrong rhymes with strong, it will be D. So the rhyming scheme is AB, AB, CD, CD. Now let's see next stanza. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Now the poet is saying, since we quarreled, we started hating each other and our afternoon turned black. That means it became unpleasant. It was spoiled. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Then suddenly my brother came and thumped me. That means patted me on the back and said, oh, come along. We can't go on all night. And said, come with me. We can't go on like this whole night. Now the poet realized that she was wrong and her brother was right because he came to be friends first and finally they became friends. Also the rhyming scheme of these lines, AB, AB, CD, CD. Now you saw children that brothers and sisters, they can fight with each other, but at the end of the day, they can't live without each other. They can't live without talking to each other. They are best friends to each other. So this was an interesting and beautiful poem on siblings by Eleanor Fergie.